DJ Event Planner will change the way you manage and run your business. Streamline all of your procedures and software into one easy-to-manage system. DJ Event Planner, the ultimate online planning tool.
Hey everybody, this is Dan Cheney for the Music Charts Archive Show, and today we're coming to you from a vacation rental somewhere in northern Minnesota. Today we're going to go through the top 10 songs from the week of August 5th, 1989. So let's start the chart. At number 10 was Simply Red and If You Don't Know Me By Now. Now this was a remake of a song by Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes and lead singer Teddy Pendergrass. Their version peaked at number 3. Simply Red was on its way down after this version became their second number 1 song after holding back the years. This version also won the Grammy that year for Best R&B Song. At number 9, Paula Abdul and Cold Hearted. Now, while Simply Red was on its way down, Paula Abdul was on her way up, and this would become her third of 6 consecutive number 1 songs. The video for this song was directed by acclaimed director David Fincher and has Abdul and her backup dancers dancing on scaffolding. At number 8, Dino and I Like It. Now, Dino's real name was Dean Esposito, and he had 8 singles in the late 80s and early 90s that charted. Now, this was his first of 2 top 10 hits. The other was Romeo in 1990. I Like It peaked at number 6 and was a number 1 hit on the dance chart. Number 7, Lay Your Hands on Me by Bon Jovi. Now, this was the 4th of 5 hit singles from their New Jersey album, and all the songs from that album made the top 10. Dolly Parton thought it would make a good gospel song and recorded a version of it for her 2014 Blue Smoke album. She and Richie Sambora performed it at Glastonbury. At number 6, Once Bitten, Twice Shy by Great White. Now this song was originally written and recorded by Ian Hunter for his 1975 debut solo album. It charted for him in the UK. The remake by the rock band Great White would peak at number 5, and it was their only top 10 hit. It was from their album Twice Shy.
Tonight's show is brought to you by Electra Voice, DJ Event Planner, DJ Trivia, Odyssey Innovative Designs and Cases, NLFX Professional, Promo Only, and the DJNTV Insiders.
Welcome back to the Music Charts Archive Show here on DJNTV. My name's Dan Cheney, and I'm coming to you today from a vacation spot in northern Minnesota. Let's get back to the rest of the top 10 from the week of August 5th, 1989. At number 5 was Toy Soldiers by Martika. Now this song was number 1 the previous week. Martika wrote the song about drug addiction with producer Michael J. Martika had been on the TV show Kids Incorporated, and some of her former castmates sang backup on this song, including Jennifer Love Hewitt and Fergie. At number 4, Richard Marx and Right Here Waiting. Now this was the third of 3 consecutive number 1 songs for Richard Marx. It was the second number 1 song from his Repeat Offender album, following the hit Satisfied. He wrote the song for his then-wife, Cynthia Rhodes, who was away shooting a film. It was also a number 1 adult contemporary song. At number 3, we have Love and Rockets and their hit So Alive. Now, this was the only top 40 hit for the English band made up of former Bauhaus members, and it peaked right here at number 3. It hit number 1 in Canada and ended up being the top modern rock track for the entire year. At number 2, On Our Own by Bobby Brown. Now, Bobby Brown was coming off 4 straight top 10 hits and was really hot when this song was released from the Ghostbusters 2 soundtrack. Bobby Brown had a cameo in the movie actually as a doorman. The music video had several celebrity cameos, including Donald Trump, seeing Brown superimposed over Trump Tower. And the number 1 song from the week of August 5th, 1989 was by Prince, and it was Batdance. Now, Prince composed the soundtrack album for the 1989 Batman movie starring Michael Keaton, and this song was from that album. The song includes audio clips and dialogue from the stars from the movie, Keaton, Kim Basinger, and Jack Nicholson, and it was the 4th of 5 #1 singles for Prince. Well, that's it. Those were the top 10 songs from the week of August 5th, 1989. Give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which songs are some of your favorites. I like the ballad Right Here, Waiting by Richard Marx. I like Prince and Batdance. And I also like So Alive by Love and Rockets. Would you let me know in the comments which are some of your favorites? This has been Dan Cheney on vacation for the Music Charts Archive show. And join us next time on DJNTV.